In this exercise, you're going to use what's called the array tool, I think. Yep, so let's have a go. So we start with create a sketch, click on this side of the object. We're just going to draw a really simple rectangle to start with. Don't worry about sizes for this activity. Mine's 70 by 130. Okay, just make it fairly large enough that you can see it. Finish that sketch, right click, just extrude this. And we just want a surface to make a pattern on. All right, so then we're going to go back to create sketch again. This time we're just going to do one small box up in the corner. So we want to repeat this box lots of times on the surface, but we want to make sure we get it kind of exact. So what we do, I'm just going to hit escape on the keyboard. Under create, you'll find a rectangular pattern. So this is the one that we want. So it says duplicate sketch curves in rows and columns. So we click on here. So it's asking us what do we want to repeat, and the object we want to repeat is this rectangle. So we click and drag over that object. Okay. Now, how many of these do we want altogether? So you could have 3. You could. I think I'm going to have 4 on here. Or, it doesn't really matter. Just depends what your design is. And then we're going to, all you need to do is pull this out, and it's going to give you 3 more squares, and it's all going to be perfectly spaced. And then you just hit OK. Now, you could do that again down the bottom, but what we're going to do is just click and drag over the whole lot. Then once again, we go up to here to our rectangular pattern, and this time we probably only want 1, and we're going to pull it down this way. Or did I give myself, oh, hang on, I don't know why that's like that. Yep, oh, we might want 2 actually. Let's just try 2. There we go. And then we hit OK. So it's giving you a pattern perfectly spaced out. Now at this point you'd probably want to finish the sketch, and then you're going to click each of those, and I'm holding the shift key down so I can select them, and then you can extrude all those shapes by however much your design is. So that's the pattern tool.